How to change your profile picture in Telegram. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to change your profile picture in Telegram whether you are on your mobile or desktop. It's super simple, so without any further ado, let's get right into the video. First thing first, open your Telegram app on your device. Once you are inside your Telegram app, tap onto the three lines in the top left corner of your screen or go to the setting directly if you are on iOS. Now tap onto your profile photo or your name at the top. A new interference will be opened. Now from there, tap onto the camera icon. Now take a photo or choose from the gallery. Select your image, adjust if you needed it, and tap onto the tick icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. And that's it, your profile picture is updated. You can add multiple profile pictures in Telegram. Swipe or click through them to change the active one or delete the old one anytime. And that's how easy it is to change your profile picture in Telegram. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit on that like and subscribe button, and also hit on that notification bell icon so that you won't miss any of our upcoming videos. And that's all for today, and I'll see you in the next video.